Hello friends, this is Supriya. Welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we will discuss what is diffusion and its examples in daily life. So friends, let's get started. Let us discuss the concept of diffusion. First, the meaning of the term diffusion is spread out. In diffusion, there is a bulk movement of atoms, ions or molecules from a corner of higher concentration to a corner of lower concentration. The diffused particles or ions show Brownian motion or they move randomly in any direction, and this random movement is caused due to the kinetic energy of the molecules. Gas molecules have a high kinetic energy than the molecules that exist in the liquid and solid phase. Diffusion is a physical process and it requires no energy from outside for the movement of molecules. In diffusion, molecules move from high to low concentration until the concentration becomes equal throughout the space, as you can see in this diagram. Now we will discuss how does diffusion occurs by looking into the steps in diffusion experiment. In the first step, add 2 to 3 drops of food coloring dye to the beaker containing water. There you can see that the solute or food coloring dye concentrates on the water surface. Then you will notice that the dye sinks to the bottom where its concentration is low from an area of its higher concentration. After a while, the food coloring dye evenly diffuses in the water by turning the entire solution red. Ultimately, diffusion stops as there are no distinct areas of high and low concentration as everything spreads out evenly. Now it's time to know some examples of diffusion in daily life. You must have witnessed the fragrance in the entire room when someone sprays the room freshener. So that is due to the diffusion of particles in the room spray. You must have noticed that once you open the seal of soda or any fizzy drinks, the soda goes flat after some time. That is because enough CO2 comes out of that can due to the diffusion. Then diffusion of salt ions, that are sodium or chloride ions in water, is a very common example of diffusion. Whenever we add salt into water, the salt diffuses uniformly even without stirring. Then the color of the tea leaves also diffuse when you dip a tea bag into a cup of hot water. Then gaseous pollutants released from the factories, vehicles, home chimneys, etc. also diffuse into the atmosphere, leading to air pollution. So friends, that's all for today. To know this topic more in detail, you can visit our official website, that is biologyreader.com. Link is provided in the description box. So if you find this lesson useful, do like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos.